220 at 7, gust 15. Visibility 10. View clouds at 5,500. Temperature 34, dew point 22, altimeter 3010.
Spirit Tower, King Air 83 Mike Papa, visual 26 left.
King Air 83 Mike Papa, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, 83 Mike Papa.
So where do you plan on parking today?
Going $1 million today.
King Air 3 Mike Papa, roger, thank you. King Air 3 Mike Papa, right when able. Millionaire, taxi via Alpha, you can remain this frequency.
Okay, right when able, we'll make Alpha 8 and taxi Alpha to Millionaire, remain with you on this frequency, 3 Mike Papa.
Gyrocopter 7 Charlie Charlie, southeast departure approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
And clear for takeoff 26 left, Alpha 5, southeast, 67 Charlie Charlie.
Gyrocopter 7 Charlie Charlie, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, thanks for the great ATC service, 67 Charlie Charlie.
Thank you.
9 kilos holding short 26 left, Alpha 2 ready for departure.
And it's 2199 kilos, Spirit Tower, southwest departure approved, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, left turn, southwest approved, and the 99 kilos.
Bonanza 99 kilo, frequency change approved.
Change approved, thanks a lot, 99 kilo.
Station for 1 Foxtrot, I'll be ready again.
Drift 1 Foxtrot, Spirit Tower, waiting out for release. 11 Foxtrot flight, runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, to 1 Foxtrot.
Gyrocopter, information, double turn, altimeter 3009.
Houston 572 with you, 26 left, visual, hello.
572, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
I am 26 left, let's say 572. Take clear to land for 572, right?
572A, firm, runway 26 left, clear to land. Turn right, your discretion to exit parking B Alpha this frequency. 434 short approach approved, runway 26 left, clear to land, Fauna, Challenger, 2 mile final.
Approach approved, 26 left, clear to land. We have that traffic in sight, clear check 434.
434, exit Alpha 6, follow the Challenger.
Alpha 6, follow the Challenger, clear check 434. Ready to go, close 65.
Close 65, flat runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 26 left.
Contact connect with departure. Okay.
Departure request 65.
341 Mike Alpha.
341 Mike Alpha, Spirit Tower.
Engine died on our run up. I don't have an emergency or anything, but I just wanted to let you know if you looked out and saw us sitting here with the propeller not spinning, we're okay. We're just trying to get it restarted.
No problem. Just let me know if you need anything.
Sierra 341 Mike Alpha, holding short of 26 left, Alpha 2, ready for departure.
441 Mike Alpha, Spirit Tower, on course to the west is approved, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
4 takeoff 26 left, 341 Mike Alpha.
Visual 26 left. 176 for your tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left clearly, and guess at 176.
Turn right, Alpha ATIS straight into parking this frequency, good day.
Hello Tower, Medevac 361 Charlie Alpha, cleared for the visual, 26 left.
361 Charlie Alpha, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Land 26 left, Medevac 1 Charlie Alpha.
Parking anything?
Does Aero sound right, Medevac 1 Charlie Alpha?
Aero Charter, most likely.
Affirmative, 1 Charlie Alpha. And Tower, Medevac 361 Charlie Alpha, we were left just a little bit high there. We're going to have to go around here. Can we do left pattern, come back around for visual 26 left?
1 Charlie Alpha, roger. The go around is approved and you can remain in the left closed traffic with me. Did you want to cancel your FR?
Yeah, let's cancel our IFR and we'll stay left closed traffic with you, Medevac 1 Charlie Alpha.
Charlie Alpha, roger. IFR cancellation received. You can squawk VFR.
VFR, 1 Charlie.